Hi everyone, I hope that all of you are very well. I am Titin Wukianto from Muhamadiyah University of Tangerang. I am studying in Law Faculty. By this video, I am going to tell you about the Indonesian law. Indonesian law based on continental or Roman law, which was introduced by Dutch trader in 1602. Besides using Dutch law, Indonesia also used customary law and Islamic law, but the Dutch law is the most dominant. It must be admitted that the principle of concordance for colonized country has brought a number of Dutch legal legacies to Indonesia. In fact, these inheritance are still used up to now. For example, HIR, Herzeni Indonesia Reglement, RBG, Regiment R. Britain Western, Criminal Code, Civil Code, and also Business Code. For this time, I would like to talk about the Criminal Code. The Criminal Code itself enforced in Indonesia since 1918. For more detail, Wetboek van Staffel for Netherlands Indie was promulgated by Stabat number 732 through the order of the King of Netherlands in 1915 and came into force as January 1, 1918. Wetboek van Staffel for Netherlands Indie itself is a legal product derived from Wetboek van Staffel of Netherlands. During the period of Indonesia's independence in 1945, to fulfill the absence of the national criminal law, Wetboek van Staffel for Netherlands Indie was adopted as a national law through Law Number 1, 1946, concerning regulation criminal law, and Law Number 73, 1958, enforces Wetboek van Staffel as national criminal law regulations. Attempt to reforms the criminal code began in 1958, which was marked with the establishment of National Law Development Institute next to National Law Seminar in 1963, which resulted resolution include insistence for organizing national criminal code. And the Indonesian People's Representative Council have agreed that the criminal code will continue to be discussed from level 1 to level 2 discussion, namely taking decision at the plenary session. And finally, the criminal code bill is included in the 2020 up to 2024 medium-term prolegnas and priority prolegnas in 2022. Currently, this legal topic about Indonesian criminal code becomes so popular, even though the draft law on the criminal code received a lot of protests. In the end, this bill was passed into law and was signed on December 6, 2022 and came into force 3 years later. It means that after 6 December 2025, Indonesia completely has own criminal code. I hope that this information are beneficial for us. Thank you very much. I'm Titin Wukianto from the old city of Jakarta. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.